Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp Business for marketing. So guys, there are a lot of ways to use WhatsApp Business for marketing. I'm gonna show you a few ways. At first, just go to the WhatsApp Business. Now just click on the top right three-dot icon here, and the very first option here is advertise. Click on it. Here you can create ad in WhatsApp and you can run this ad into your Facebook and Instagram. This is a very useful thing guys, you can use it. Now just go back, again click on the three-dot icon. Here you can see the middle option here is labels, click on it. Here you can see new customer option here, the very first one, new order, pending payment, paid and other complete. This is a very useful way guys. You can put your new customer here, your new order here, and in the pending payment are in the third option. Those who paid to your product, you can put them in the fourth option here, and which orders are completed you can put in the last option. Now just go back, click on the three-dot again, click on the second option here, business tools. Here you can see the second option, catalog, click on it. You can create your business catalog in here, click on add new item. Just hold on guys. Here you can see you can add your product or your things image here by clicking it, and your product item name, product price and description of the product. You can also add your product link and your item code. Go back, again click on the three-dot, click on business tools. Here you can see in the middle option here, add Facebook and Instagram. You can add your Facebook and Instagram with your WhatsApp account. This is also a very helpful way guys. Now just click on the top right a three-dot icon here, and here you can see the second option here is short link. You can create your short link for your WhatsApp business, and here you can see your message option. You can let the customers edit and send a message on your opening short link by turning it on. So guys, that's how you can use WhatsApp Business for marketing. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.